Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with a review of Ringke's new Fusion X case for the LG G7 ThinQ, or the Think as I like to call it. It sounds better than ThinQ anyway. So this is the new protective style case that Ringke has come up with for the G7, and I have to say I like it. I've been using it for the last couple of days, and the symmetry on it's great. It gives you that extra added protection over something a little bit more thin or minimalistic. It has the mil standard drop protection on it, which is great too. So all in all, it's just a fancy little case, and it's only $12.99. So there's not a whole lot you can complain about whenever you get into that dollar value, especially for something that covers all the bases like this one does. So you've got the extra support, the padded bumpers that this has on it, plus it also has part of the back extends into this clear plastic backing material, so you can see through it. There's actually 3 different colors that they have. They have it in gray, black, and lilac purple. All of them have the clear plastic window on the back, but then they got this rubberized molding on the sides with the reinforced bumpers and the reinforced back. So that's where the extra added padding and protection comes in, which is cool. So you can carry your phone around. You can still see what cool colors you have underneath it, but you can add that little extra layer of protection. And the other cool thing is with this window, if you want, you can decorate or put little things in there. You can put a sticker in there. You can put a picture in there. Different things that can kind of customize and show off some of your personal character and flair that you want to go along with your case. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and put my phone in the case. So like I said, I've been using this one for the last few days, and I'm quite a fan. Like I said, it's got this nice rigid support structure. It has plenty of good grip on the sides. Now the plastic right here, of course, is naturally a little bit more slick, but thankfully that's only on the back of the phone. It has more grip on the sides. It's not really textured. The buttons are textured. So like here you can see it's kind of serrated looking on the Google Assistant button and then on the power button. So you can film in the dark already, but they give you that a little extra grip whenever you're pushing on them. All your ports are open and clear. You've got your USB-C connector, your microphone, your speaker, your 3.5mm headphone jack, everything easy access. The buttons are probably the most responsive that I've ever had in a case. They have so much spring to them. They're so light and easy to press. It's really nice. I don't really remark often on buttons. I did in my Ringke Air case and also with this one. The buttons are great. And as you can see, you can still see the back of the phone. So you get the cool LG logo. You can still see the G7 ThinQ there. And I'll go ahead and take the other cases out so you can see them. This is what it looks like in black. And this is what it looks like in lilac purple. And you can see some more pictures in my full review that I have down in the drop down. You can check that out if you want as well. So this is what it looks like. And like I said, it's clear. Got the clear plastic on all 3 of them. So you can get a good view for what you have underneath, which is the phone. And then if you want to put something in there, a picture, a sticker, something decorative, you can throw that in there as well for a little extra flair, which is cool. But all in all, I'm very happy with it. Like I said, it does have the extra padding and the extra support, that extra durability in the structure of the case itself, so you have some extra peace of mind when it comes to drop protection. Plus, you got the nice buttons, you got the cutouts. I will show you here. You do have a little bit of a lip that's extended over the front here, which is common on most cases nowadays, so you can place it face down and the screen won't be touching on the flat surface as long as there's nothing underneath it. And then on the back side, your camera and your fingerprint sensor are recessed, so those are protected as well if you place it down. So, pretty cool. Anyway, that's all I've got for the Ringke LG G7 Fusion X case. Fusion X, a tongue twister there whenever you talk fast. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. Like I said, you can check them out. You can get them on Amazon for $12.99. I have it linked in my actual review article, but if you want, just type it in. You can find it easily. It's also eligible for the Prime 2-day shipping if you happen to be an Amazon Prime member. So, cool case, lots of protection, little on price. And that's all I've got. So as always, thanks for subscribing and sharing and tuning in. Anytime you have any questions or comments, always leave them down in the comments section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You have a good one.